3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Go. The ball game challenge. We need to dance like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? You know how to dance? How about you know how to dance? How about you know how to dance? Yes. Okay, the wrong one. Let's start the game now. Let's dance. Let's play the game. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. High five. Hola. Okay, let's play, girl. Your time to win. Who will be the winner tonight? Okay, this game we need to pass the ball game, alright? We need to pass the cup. We need to turn first, okay? Okay, turn one, give the cup. And turn around. One turn only. Stop, give, and turn. Okay, from here. Like that. Okay, so you have turn. Turn around 0. Turn. Like that.
Yes.
Like a princess turn. Like this, no? Okay. Like that. Okay, go. One turn. Okay, okay, give, and turn. Alright. Okay, good girl. Okay, girls, are you ready, girl?
Yeah.
How about you, girl? Okay, princess, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Okay, let's start now. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Go! Stop! Thank you very much, princess. Alright, thank you so much. I caught you. No problem. High five, girl. Thank you so much. We have a winner. The winner is 0. Alright, 0. Okay. Okay, we need to make it 2 groups. Okay, before that, we need to choose your meal, alright? Okay, we have 2 lines here. Here we have a chicken burger. Here we have a chicken nuggets. Okay, choose your happy meal. What do you want, chicken burger or nuggets? Okay, go ahead. What do you like? Chicken burger or nuggets? Nuggets. You can like who about nuggets? Raise your hand. Nuggets, come here, nuggets. Chicken burger. Okay, chicken burger, come here. How about that? Chicken burger. Nuggets, chicken burger. Nuggets? Okay. Pull the nuggets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Chicken burger. 6. Alright. Are you ready, kids?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, let's start the game now. Alright, here we go. Ram sam sam.
Yes.
Alright. Go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. on chair.
Oo.
Chair. Okay. Sit down like this. Before that, if you turn around, we need to dance. Okay? Just go like this only. Okay, just dance. Turn around. Okay. Okay, kids, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Louder. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's start the game, kids. Good luck. 3, 2. Okay, here we go. 1. Let's dance. Go. Go. Okay. All right. Faster, faster, faster. Go. Go. Zero. Zero. Sit down. Okay.
Sit down.
All right, that's okay. That's the game. This is the trial. You have to throw now.
Yeah. She don't know what to do.
When the music stop, we need to sit down. When the music stop, like this.
Quick, fastly.
Joke, I'm just joking. Okay, you cannot have a chair. Okay, zero one. You know, are you ready? Yes, good. Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Go, dance! Sit down. Alright. Okay, so. Alright. Take your pride. Don't worry. Everybody happy. Okay. So, please stand up. Stand up, please. Okay. Get ready. Okay, kids, let's play the game. 3, 2, 1, go!
Quickly.
Sit down. Okay, thank you, princess. Princess, okay, sit down, please. Alright, stand up. Okay, 0-1, good luck, 0-1. Let's play the game. Okay, kids, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's start the game. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, princess, high five, princess. Thank you so much for playing. Don't worry. Okay, thank you so much for playing. Sit down. Stand up, alright? Thank you.
يلا قومي.
Okay, good luck, everyone.
تفضل قاعدة.
Okay.
يلا شيل ايدك ماما.
Alright, let's start. 3,
Go.
2, 1,
Plan.
go! Go, girl. Come on. Go. Go, faster. Alright. Thank you so much. Okay, let's make the final round. Okay, boy, come here. We need to turn around in your chair. And so come here. We need to turn around to your chair. When the music we stop, we need to sit down here. Okay? We need to turn around here. Also, you need to turn around. When the music stops, you can sit down here quickly. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
How about you? Are you ready? Also me, yes. Okay, let's start now. Alright. Good luck. 3, 2, 1, Maris, thank you so much, Maris. You are winner tonight. Congratulations. you very much. Okay. Please. Okay.
Birthday to you.
Okay, let's sing together. 3, 2, 1. We need to clap your hands, okay? 1, 2, 3, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Zilwa.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, thank you so much. Clap your hands. And now we need to eat Happy Meals first. Then finish it. We have one. It's the clown one, the chicken. Okay, we need to eat first so that we can have energy again and we can dance again. All right? Okay.